The app measures users' heart and respiratory activity, including physiological stress and any irregularities. When the app detects an abnormality, it shares a warning to a wearer personal device and advises seeing a doctor. When multiple abnormalities are detected, followed by a falling movement, together indicate a heart attack or a stroke. In this case, the app sends a signal to emergency with location and health data and rings an alarm to notify bystanders. Patients with Alzheimer's sometimes forget their location. Then, on press of a button, the app displays previous 3 visited places and the current location for refreshment. Other actions include giving step-by-step instructions to people around and monitoring any survival signals simultaneously by the voice AI.